The stock front shocks and springs on your 2014 and 2015 F-150 are only going to take you so far. That's why F-150Lifts created this set of high-performance 0 to 3 inch adjustable Boss coilovers that give you the control you need to take your off-road truck much farther than you ever thought possible. Installation is not very difficult with your basic hand tools. After removing the front wheels, start disassembly by unbolting the outer tie rod from the knuckle and unbolt the knuckle from the upper control arm. Last, remove the top sway bar bolt. Now we are ready to remove the shock. Unbolt it from the lower control arm, then remove the top 3 nuts in the frame. We had a set of Icon shocks installed already, but stock coilovers will be the same removal process. We had enough room to slide out the coilover without removing the top nut in the knuckle, so we left it loosely in place. We did, however, need to remove it to install the new coilover because it is slightly taller. If you need even more room, loosen the axle nut for a little extra clearance. Make sure the lower mount on the Boss coilover is tightened down, then install it in its place. Tighten the 2 lower mounting bolts, then start reassembly on the knuckle and tighten the 3 upper bolts on the coilover. These coilovers come preset at a middle height, but can be raised to a full 3 inches of lift. You will need to buy the matching spanner wrench in order to adjust them. Slap the wheels back on your truck and the install of the coilovers is finished.